Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of academic writing and exploring the Results chapter, a guide to showcasing your research findings. As you've put in countless hours of hard work, the Results chapter is where all your efforts come to fruition. It's a critical section of your research that allows you to present your findings, draw conclusions, and make significant contributions to your field. So let's learn how to craft a compelling results chapter that showcases your research findings in the best possible way. 1. Organizing your results. The key to an effective results chapter lies in organizing your findings in a clear and coherent manner. Whether you're presenting quantitative data, qualitative insights, or a mix of both, structuring your chapter logically is vital. We'll guide you through the process of creating a seamless flow, ensuring that your readers can easily follow and understand the progression of your research. 2. Utilizing visuals. Incorporating visuals such as charts, graphs, and tables can greatly enhance the impact of your results. Chapter. Visual representations provide a concise and easy-to-grasp summary of complex data. We'll show you how to create visually appealing visuals and use them strategically to reinforce your key findings. Remember, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and in academia, it can make your research more accessible and engaging. 3. Interpretation and analysis. Presenting your findings is only half the battle. You must also interpret and analyze them effectively. This is your opportunity to demonstrate your understanding of the data and its implications for your research questions and hypotheses. We'll walk you through the process of drawing connections between your results and the existing literature, showcasing your analytical skills and academic prowess. 4. Addressing limitations. No research is without limitations, and it's essential to be transparent about them in your results chapter. Addressing potential weaknesses and limitations of your study showcases your intellectual honesty and helps your readers better interpret your findings. We'll show you how to acknowledge these limitations while offering suggestions for future research, further contributing to the advancement of knowledge in your field. 5. Comparing with previous studies. Comparing your results with those of previous studies can add depth and context to your findings. This shows that you've done your homework and can position your research within the broader academic landscape. By discussing similarities and differences, you'll highlight the unique aspects of your work and demonstrate its relevance in advancing the field's understanding. Ultimately, your results chapter is the heart of your research, where you present your findings and make a lasting impact on your readers. By organizing your results effectively, utilizing visuals, interpreting and analyzing the data, addressing limitations, and comparing with previous studies, you'll craft a compelling chapter that showcases the value of your research to the academic community. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.